just before we had this session, Maryam was saying that she wanted to love me more. How would you suggest she do that, or what advice would you have for her?
The first thing that we want to say is she practicing lack that she wants to fulfill it with more? Why she's focused on the absence of love? Is she trying to satisfy the absence of love by loving you more? What is her resistance that wouldn't allow her to just love? Why does she have to love more? Is she loving less that she needs to love more?
That's a good question.
Well, that's a very screwed up question that she's got, or expression that she needs to love more or she wants to love more. Is she loving less that she needs to bridge it and become it more, make it more?
Yeah. Yes, very good perspective. So what do you suggest? What question do you have for her to really ask herself?
We think from her human perspective, she means well. But from the greatest expression of self and being the totality of all that she is, her wholeness, her approach is not right. We think there is no more or less in love. It's a vibration that she can allow it to become more of her frequency or not to be more of her frequency. And then through that frequency, she can perceive you through that love. So instead of making it about you, is her alignment and the knowing of love.
Yeah.
Then she can expand it and make it about you. But what she's saying is she wants to find more alignment or arrive at knowing relative to her relationship with you. So she is still having resistance at some level that causes her wanting more alignment to see you and perceive the relationship you guys have from the place of alignment, closer to the vicinity of love. That's how we can interpret her approach. Again, we're not saying anything negative about her. That's just her human perception. Wanting to love you more means that I want to find more alignment with love, and through that lens, I can be the realizer of how much I love you, not that I want to love you more. So she's looking for her own alignment relative to what you guys have got together.